Good day, ma'am and sir. In front of you is Luella Dolor Valencia, 31 years old from Philippines. I am a single mother and I have two brothers and two sisters. I am the third child in the family. I have one daughter, she's now 3 years old. I work in Hong Kong as a domestic helper for 2 years. And in Philippines, I also work for 2 years lately. In Hong Kong, I took care of 2 months old baby girl and 4 years old girl. And in Philippines, I also took care of two children. The boy was 4 months old and the other boy is 5 years old. I can take care of both newborn babies and growing kids. I am very confident that I can take care of kids in Hong Kong. I want to work in Hong Kong again so that I could earn more money for my family. I hope I can still go back to Hong Kong and serve your family. In household chores, I can do cooking, cleaning, ironing, and going to market. I am willing to learn more because it's been several years that I did not work in Hong Kong. But I can recall those Hong Kong dishes that I used to cook before. Mom and sir, please give me the chance to work in your family. Thank you for listening my soft introduction. Have a good day and God bless.